Today we'll be doing another method on how to transform the quadratic function into vertex form. So the first step to do is we're going to group all the x terms, or the terms containing x, which is 2x squared and 4x. Leave 3 alone. Next, we're going to factor 2 out, or a, in this equation. And if you remember, if you identify the values, 2 is equal to a. Factor that out. If you're confused on why it became 2x, it's because you multiply together and 2 times 2 is 4, right? In order for it to be a perfect square trinomial, we're going to divide b. We're going to divide b by 2. And we'll be squaring the result. Let's try. So, negative 2 over divided by 2 is negative 1. Multiply it twice to become a positive 1 since negative times negative is positive. Add 1 here. In order to add a number beside the constant, or 3, we're going to multiply it by a times b over 2. Which is, let's say in our equation, it's 2, right? So, it's negative 1 since negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. And you have negative 2. So let's add that to this side. The next thing we're going to do is to create this into a binomial. Perfect square binomials, if you still remember that topic. Sorry. Negative 3 plus negative 2. Add this type of sign if you're confused with those. If you're still confused, it will become negative 5. And this is the vertex form for this equation. Before I end off this video, I'd like to quickly promote a server that I'm in called the Drawing Association. If you can't tell by the name itself, it's basically a server where we post art. There's different types of channels for different categories. And there are so many talented artists in here. Although it's still kind of dead since there's not much members yet, we're still having a lot of fun here, and I hope that you're able to join us too. The link for the server will be sent in the description box below. Thank you!